Well, this is a 94 Chevrolet pickup. Looks like I've got about an inch of water in this sapsucker. Kind of makes you wonder, don't it? How such things happen. Well, it did, so. Seen a guy had a YouTube video. Because I did not know that you take these out right here. Boom. Okay. Now, 1, 2. He said it was a 5mm, but this truck is not a 5mm. 3/32 is what's working right now. This is a Craftsman made in the USA, number 1 3/16, isn't it? Yeah, 3/16. Not the 3/32. Trying to get you all a shot there where you can see it, man. .3/16. Real nice and snug. Then this thing is supposed to just fall out. Right? Well, let me lay the phone down and let's see if it'll come out. Now I do see a crack in the lens here, and that could be a possibility, but I would never dream that that much water would ever be inside of this thing, man. I got my knife up here prying it, and here it comes. Alright. Good deal, huh? Just like the guy said. So, you fish it out of there, or if you're from West Virginia, you fish it out. And I am originally from West Virginia. So you turn that till it pops out like that. Of course, that water gets in there and they get real hot and they explode. And you want to figure out before you put another bulb in there, man, why. It could be right around here it has come loose. I see a crack up there. I see a crack there. So that tells me I'm going to need some silicone. Woo, my goodness, look at him. Sapsucker's got algae in it, man. Awful looking. Okay, we'll lay it out in the sun in the meantime. Yeah. Yeah, it's cracked right here too, man. So, they're supposed to be, on some of these anyway, they have little holes, man, weep holes that allow